want chicken.
No, we always eat chicken.
What am I supposed to eat then?
Something different.
Like what?
What are you thinking about?
What else can we eat besides chicken?
Well, what does a chicken lay out?
Pigs?
Oh, an egg.
Oh.
You can make a healthy omelet.
I don't know how to make one.
Well, I could teach you, but you just need to give me an egg. Just buy me an egg. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Vito, not that. That's a damn pig. Vito! Wait, that's my pig! My pig! That's not a chicken!
Hey, chicken. Wanna leave me some eggs? Are you sure? Fine. I guess I have to pull the eggs out of here.
Vito! What are you doing to my sheep?
This is a sheep?
Yes!
I thought this was a chicken.
No, you just killed my only sheep!
Josh, do you know what a chicken looks like? I've been trying to hunt one all day, but I can't find one.
Wait, so we're getting a chicken actually?
No, we're getting an egg. We're not eating chicken anymore.
What's an egg?
It comes out of chicken, apparently.
Okay, well, okay, so chickens, they're small, and they got small heads.
Oh, I think I saw one.
Wait,
Where was that small-headed animal? No.
What the heck is this thing?
Hey, I got the chicken. Do we just like squeeze the egg out of it now or what?
wait, where did you get that? Where did you get that monkey?
This is a monkey?
Yeah, that's a monkey.
I thought this was chicken.
No, thank God you didn't kill that monkey like you did with the other animals.
What?
I hate this.
Josh, what does a chicken look like? I've been looking for one for hours and I can't find one.
This is my pet chicken, Rocky. You know, this is what a chicken looks like.
Okay.
This is, don't touch this one. This is mine.
Alright, I'll go look for one then. What's it?
It's a moon.
That's funny.
Yeah. Wait. Why are you in my room?
I'm feeding it. See?
Oh. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay.
Rocky. Where's Rocky? Is he here?
Finally, I got you where I
What's
need
Rocky
you.
doing with Vito?
What? Life for an omelet. I got it!
Rocky!
It's not Rocky.
Vito. Vito. Vito!
Yeah?
You killed Rocky!
Yeah,
That omelet better be good!
it will be.
No, Rocky! You've been our family generations. Why did you die? How did you die?
Hey, you wanna make that omelet we were talking about?
Where the hell did you get the egg?
Don't ask. You wanna make one or not?
Sure, alright. I got this. This egg is gonna be for you. I'm sorry.
It will be.
Today we're gonna make an omelet, a healthy omelet for the morning. And the ingredients or the items you will need will be pan. Doesn't matter what size. It could be big, small, but prefer like a medium. Honestly, there are bigger ones, but not that big, right? So pan, spatula. I think I missaid it, but I don't care. Well, either way, you're gonna need this to flip the omelet. A fork and a bowl. The reason it is because you're gonna get the egg, crack it open, put the egg here, and then stir it. You will see into this video. A cheese shredder to shred in the cheese. That's why it's a cheese shredder. And cheese. Doesn't matter what color. I guess you get yellow. But prefer healthy cheese. Not that sure. I think it is really healthy, but not that sure. But either way, prefer healthy cheese. A coconut and avocado cooking oil. This is a healthy way to put it than regular oil. Yeah. And then last but not least, an egg. Yeah. Now we're gonna start doing the steps after we get the items and get everything ready for you guys. So stay tuned. Okay. First off, we need to wash our hands. Just in case you touch anything dirty or anything. So you just wash your hands. Make sure you wash it good. Get the soap in. All that. And that's it. Okay, now what we do first is you get the pan. Get the pan. Put it, doesn't matter. It could be a big one, small one, but in this case we're gonna do the big one because easier access. We're gonna put a number 5. The heat's gonna be around 5. Doesn't matter if the heat is at 5 right there, but we're gonna put it at 5. While we're doing that, you're also gonna need this. So right now we're gonna put this in. Need to get it more. There, like around. This is like there, like around this much. The reason is because it's gonna be an omelet. It's gonna take the whole much space. Therefore, you're gonna need it to get the spatula, scoop it up, put it facing the other side. All right. So we don't need this anymore. All right. Now, while that's heating, we're gonna get this, a fork, and an egg. Right now, what we're gonna do is get the egg and break it. Oh, let's see, I could do it here. When we got that, we don't need the shell. Oh, duh. And in this part, all we're gonna do is just scramble it or like mix it. Prefer to do it as much as possible. Okay, Vito, when you come over here, there you continue doing it. While he's doing that, I'm gonna get an ingredient to make it taste good and be more healthy in a way. So. this. Alright. Vito, may you come over here? So in this case, we're gonna get some cerando. See it? Now, you're gonna pour some in there. It's gonna be together. I think I'm doing it right. Oh, we'll see how this ends up. Alright. So we're gonna mix it together. You don't need to add this, but if you're the type of person that likes this, well, this is your lucky day. And, well, same thing as usual, you just spin. And then I think that's enough. You can tell it's all mixed together. Put this to the side, put this to the side. Now, we're gonna need a plate. Ooh. Okay, plate. And now, we're gonna need cheese. Oh. There we go. Get the cheese out. Yeah, cheese out. Use the cheese shredder. And then shred it. 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 I think that's enough. Now be. Well, that's more than enough. You could add more if you want, if you're a person that likes too much cheese. Yeah, well, there we go. And, sorry, they're laughing. I don't know why though. Okay, so we have the cheese, and let's see. Let's take it a couple more minutes. Let's just heat it up. Just lower it on the heat. Now, this step, listen carefully. We're gonna get this and stab it on the. I'm just joking. Okay, well, we're gonna get this and put it like this. I think it's too much oil, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just dip some oil out. Just a little oil. No. That's right, oil. No, more out. There. Right here. Now we're gonna do this. Okay, now Vito's technique of flipping. Go, Vito. You don't flip it till you see everything like that. You see how the corners are? When you see every single corner, the side of this, the white, if you see it, okay, if you see the white how it looks, when the middle goes like that, that's when you flip it. Not yet, sir. Chill, sir. Let it go. See? I just like how all that serrano went in that middle. Smell that good. Smell the goodie. I'm serious. Okay, Vito. Now, I think it's enough so you can start flipping. Now let's say Vito's good flipping technique. Vito, you're taking forever.
I cannot.
Okay. At this point, you see this is already cooked. Now, this is where our cheese comes in. Cheesy, cheesy. You put the cheese in the middle, put the cheese in the middle, put the cheese in the middle. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Cheese in the ooh, no cheese. Ah, damn cheese. You went that way. Cheese in the middle. Cheese in the middle. Cheese, cheese, cheese in the middle. Ah, sorry, I went that way. Okay, now this one, now what you're gonna do is gonna flip it this way, so you get it in the way like that. So that's basically how you make an omelet. But in order to know it's finished, ready, just leave it there a couple seconds. See? It looks good, smells good. Now just go to the other side, or the other side to get it. Now, look at that. So we have it right there, cooking, and you can reuse this. Therefore, you don't need to waste plates like this. So we just put the cheese inside. See? There we go. The leftover cheese. And turn it off. Get it. Flip it. And bam! You get your omelet. Looks good. Okay. Now, the end product is this. You could add the extra cheese. You could put a person could sprinkle it on top to give it more cheese. Like I said, whoever likes too much cheese, there you go. And then serrano for the final touch. Now we're gonna serve this. Oh, serrano was in the bottom. Now we're gonna serve this. Oh wait, we forgot something. We got pork. God damn it! Like we're saying, this is there. We're gonna serve it to this guy, Josh. Here's your fork. He's gonna test it out. He doesn't know how to eat an omelet properly. Okay, I'm just joking. Oh my god. You know, he's gonna test, say it.
It's really good.
I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. If you can tell in the middle of the screen, there will be my channel, so please click it and subscribe if you haven't. If you have any ideas for us to cook anything healthy, please comment below what. At the right corner of the screen, there will be our beef video, and the left corner will be our first cooking video. So feel free to click it and see it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.